Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can edit your photos on your iPhone. So I will show you some app for editing your photos. So let's start. First you need is to go to App Store. So just open App Store and just find here in App Store Facetune 2. So just write in search photo filter and you will see this application, or just write name of this application and just here you will see get button. So just click on get and it will successfully download and install this app on your mobile phone. So after you can also open it. So here for example this app proposes us image. So I will show you some things you can also do with this image. So you can also upload your photo, and for example you go to Face, you can just click here. You can see that it makes more large or small smile. Here you can see it. So another thing, eyes. So you can make eyes bigger or smaller if you want. So also nose. You can also edit your nose. Eyebrows. Lips. So you can use this application for 3 days for free, and after you need to do subscribe on this app. So just click OK. So here you can see that for 3 days you can also try it for free. So this is how it works. Also after you make changes, you can also save your image. So here you can see, just click here and would like to access, OK, and just click save and it will successfully save this photo to our gallery. So another thing, it's retouch, reshapes. You can add filters, paint something on the image, or do many effects, add some effects on this photo. So just crop the photo, edit, and just add some light. So thanks for watching, have a nice day. Just install this app and just have fun. So thanks for watching, goodbye. Subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.